morning, welcome to Forexample Trading. I'm Ben Newman. It is Tuesday the 4th of December into the last month of 2018. Now, if you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, then you can do so by clicking the subscribe button, which is in the corner somewhere below me. Also, if you want to join us in the trading arena with tons of experience and expertise in there, that's really going to help you if you're a beginner. It will help you because you've got other beginners in the same boat, but also you've got that experience and expertise and ideas and trades and so on all coming into that exclusive trading arena. If you are already an experienced trader, then it gives you the opportunity to trade with other like-minded traders, and we all do very well in there. So it's a good environment. For me, the quality in there, the quality of the people in there is what's important to me. Yes, there's a charge for it because I do believe that exclusivity comes with a price, and certainly the value of that group once you're in there in terms of the returns you'll be getting from the ideas and trades and so on going in there, which I'll show you some examples of, will pay you back in no time whatsoever. I'm now doing the membership lifetime. It was 3 months originally, 3 months membership for £249 plus VAT, and that gives you the 2 Forex courses, the dedicated signals channel, the exclusive trading arena, one-on-one support with myself, and everything you need to make this a success. I use IC Markets, they're a regulated broker, and they get around the ESMA restrictions, the ESMA regulations, which can be very restrictive to you if you're starting out. So do click the link if you want a decent broker to use, and I can help you through that process, setting up the MT4, setting up TradingView, everything you need to do, I can help you to do. But the one thing that you need to do is be willing to learn, be committed to educating yourself. I will provide you all the tools, all the information you need, all the education you need, the courses, the expertise, the people, the environment, everything you need to make a success of this is right here. Just click the links below and get involved. As I say, £249 plus VAT will get you lifetime membership. If you're suited to the group, we'll review it after 3 months. If you're making money, then I'm happy and I want you in that group. And what happens is, of course, once you're making money from the education and the opportunity that I'm giving you via the trading arena and everything else that goes with it, of course, you're more than willing to put those ideas back in once you become experienced. And that, you know, you can take your own time with that, but we do encourage people to put the ideas in, and that means that we can say, okay, well, look, probably look at it this way, or maybe have a look at it from a different point of view. And not only that, all of us together combined, all looking at the markets, means that we're throwing in a lot more ideas in there, and that means that we're scanning a lot more of the markets than we'd be able to do alone. So really, this is more about making sure that you're not a lonely trader, and trading can be lonely. You know, we like the banter in there, we like the camaraderie that we have with each other, and we work together, we support each other, and we all have the same aim, and that is to make money. So if you want to be part of that, then don't delay, do get involved, click the links below, arrange a call with me, no obligation, I can talk you through everything, so you can get involved. Right. So today, at the moment, I'm looking at yen strong trades. They're the signals that went out this morning, which I will show you right now. So the signals that went out this morning, let's have a look. Usually I don't send the free signals, but today I have done. So AUD JPY, CAD JPY, NZD JPY, and CHF JPY. This AUD JPY I opened last night, closed it this morning in good profit. But let's have a look so you can see the CHF JPY, there it is. There's my entry point, that blue line there. So that's doing very well. CAD JPY, entry point right up here. So that's doing very well. AUD JPY, entry point up here, doing very well. And the NZD, there we go. Look at that entry point right up there. So these trades doing excellently well. Now, looking at the Dixie. And by the way, you can see where my take profit level is right down here. And if they do go to here, they'll probably carry on going, because this is just to fill this gap that was created when the market opened after the weekend. So this is how much higher the Aussie and Kiwi dollars opened against not only the yen, but against the US dollar as well. Look, you can see this gapping here, which shows such massive weakness But they're getting to a point now, this trend line here, I think they're going to bounce off. So we're going to have an opportunity to trade with the Dixie, but it will be later on. Now we're looking at the Dixie here. I think it's going to be running off this trend line now. You can see they broke through this very major trend line here. There we go. And by the way, just to show you, I should just show my Dixie view there, but this was last night. There we go. So Mike, who's very experienced at gold, actually sent out some information in the middle of the night. The guy never sleeps, maybe not, I don't know. But what he does do is know when the best time to make money is. And there was that signal that came in last night. That was an AU buy, an Aussie US dollar buy, a Euro US dollar buy, and a gold buy. Now let's have a look at gold. So he entered that at 2:54 a.m. All right, and if we look at that as to when that is, 2:54 a.m. is here. All right, so it's this point right here. I'll show you with an arrow. I'm just going to show you how important these signals are. These aren't my signals as well, remember, so you'll get mine on top of this. But 2:54 a.m., so around this point here. Okay. So around that point there, and it's gone all the way up to here. So that's the gold trade. So from there all the way up to there, that is what we've seen, that movement there. So if you were in on that signal there, it's actually where I closed my trade last night. I had a sell trade there, where I closed it last night. But you can see, and this is probably going to carry on rising. Certainly Mike thinks it is to 1240. It's hit 1240 now, first take profit, so probably to 1247 from here. But with gold, you do have to be in it from the bottom, and of course that signal going out. So if you're watching us from the other side of the world, somewhere in Asia or whatever, you can see that even then you're going to get information through your daytime, even if it's nighttime over here. So just demonstrating that. Euro US dollar, same principle. Look at that, from 2:54 a.m., which was here. We can see this was the movement from this point here, so 2:54. So from there all the way up to there. Okay, so again, massive movement there, you can see. And the other one was the Aussie US dollar, which I'll show you here. This is on 1 hour that we're looking at as well. And I think this is probably going to start dropping. There's a double top on that now. You can see this area that's sitting in that's way above where it should be, really. But again, same principle, Mike sending this signal out in the middle of the night pretty much. But it was there that signal went, just there. So this was the movement that we saw from that. Okay, so you can see, even when it's not me sending signals, other people are sending information into that group. My signals today have been there we go, so entry point there. You see the 4 yen trades. Well, I think there's going to be a lot more opportunities as we go through the day, but already doing very well out of those. So if you want to get involved and be part of those, then all you have to do is click the link in the description, arrange a call with me, and I can talk you through. We can get you involved right away and make sure that you're making money right away as well. I believe that the markets are going to start being a bit more favourable to us now that we're starting to get to, at least in sight of some sort of conclusion for Brexit, and this trade war that's going on between the US and China appears to have come to some kind of settlement. Oil continues to drop. We've seen a little spike in it recently, but that's continuing to go down. That affects the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar, as you can see here, look at my entry point there, is sitting very weak against the yen today, so I'm taking full advantage of that. So listen, I expect it to be a very good day. When we started off already, we're already making decent money through today. And just to show you my trades, here. There we go. So you can see CHF just slightly out of the money, but all the others very much in the money. And they will continue to drop, I'm sure, from here. So anything that you need help with in terms of setting things up, ready for you to start trading, I will help you with. You get full one-on-one support. So look, if you're right for this, you've got the right attitude, you've got the right mindset, and you actually want to learn how to trade, then we will help you to do that, and you can join the many successful people that are making money on a daily basis with us, including myself. So all good. This CAD JPY, as you can see, is dropping to a point now, so I'm going to move this take profit point if it continues to plummet, which I think it will do. So listen, we're shaping up for a very good day today. You can follow us on Facebook. These signals going out today on Facebook, Twitter, so do subscribe, and of course the YouTube channel as well. In terms of news today, let's have a quick look. So the big ones, already passed. This Bank of England governor. I'm not trading the pound myself. I just think it's too risky. The pound is very strong off the back of this this speech by Carney, but how long will that last? It's a bit of an unknown at the moment. But so I'm going to stick with trading with yen, US dollar, and following that with the Dixie's lead. So if I can see what this is doing, then also know if this is weak, then the US dollar and yen, generally US dollar will definitely be weak, but the yen may be weaker as well. When this starts to strengthen, starts to go up, then we can start to trade the US dollar and yen pairings in favour of those. But I'm going to leave these yen pairings in place. I think they'll carry on going. Have a good day's trading, whatever you're going to do. Don't forget, click the links below if you want to join us. No obligation call with myself. I can talk you through how to get involved and make sure that you are earning as quickly as possible with us. All right, have a good day. See you again tomorrow.